Look at this. You're learning all the dirt on everybody here. There you go. Mr. Eugene Baxter. So these hopefully were secrets that Mr. Addington actually knew, but that I'm not sure of. But definitely the characters knew these
He's dead,
secrets.
so we can't ask him.
Well, he says some stuff even after death.
You've always hated Mr. Addington. His comments that computers were just a fad and that video games were only good for the rotting of minds of the people foolish enough to play them didn't go unnoticed. You tried to keep your distance, but each of his dismissive insults remind you of the bullies from your childhood. However, that was then and this is now. You learned to stand up for yourself, and some people need to be taught a lesson, right? So he hates Mr. Addington.
All right. That's a secret for Mr. Baxter.